Hey Sanuk, where are we?
We're in Samcheok.
We're in Samcheok.
We're gonna eat dinner. We're gonna eat breakfast.
We're gonna eat breakfast. Everything seems to open at 11. Now it's 9:40. So we'll figure it out.
We're gonna eat lightly and we're gonna go to ocean and walk around and grab some coffee.
좋겠지.
It's gonna be good. Yeah. We came to eat breakfast.
At no brand. 생긴 것 같은데.
아 이쁜데? It's pretty bro. My food came first. I'm waiting.
Oh, you can eat. We can try it.
Let's eat together.
Okay.
Because I'm wearing white shirt, so I need to absolutely take care of myself.
First 음식. Chewy. I like it. It's like a dumpling, kind of like a mandu. I've always wanted to try this because the name is so cute.
So after breakfast, we're gonna go to grab some coffee because it's pretty hot.
Yeah.
It's pretty hot outside, so I was going to walk around the beach, but I don't think it's a good idea. That's why we decided to go to the Ocean View Cafe. Let's go there.
브랜드에서 카스텔라 샀어요. So we arrived at the spot where the cafe is that we want to go. It's right down over there. But the parking lot has such a good view.
Okay, let's go to cafe.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go to cafe.
Let's go to the cafe.
야, 뷰 미쳤다. Your hair.
It's really windy here.
We're spending relaxing time in front of beautiful view. We already drank coffee, so we're gonna go out of cafe. We're gonna enjoy the ocean and we're gonna stroll a little bit and go to next location. 바람이 너무 많이 부네요. 다음 목적지로 이동해 봅시다. 펀치범.
Here, where everybody is in little boats. I want to do that. You think we should? Okay, we got on the boat.
Yeah, spontaneously. I didn't know we can do like that.
Yeah.
kel장, like opposite way.
What do you mean?
Opposite way. Look at the look at the spatula.
맞아.
스패출라라 하나?
Just called it oar.
or kel장 이거 좋은데? Let's go. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. 맞아. Look at this view. Oh my god. Wow. You did well. 와.
홀리자.
와. Oh my god.
아 진짜.
아 이렇게 해볼까?
That's where we just were in the boats.
Yeah. Color, right?
Wow. 맛있겠다. 잘 먹을게요.
Yeah. 덕산 해수욕장.
But suddenly it's windy and a little cold. So I think I should have brought a sweatshirt. So we ate dinner and then we came to Samcheok beach.
You can say main beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we're here and we enjoyed.
And people are doing fireworks and
Yeah, I wanted to drink a Americano like as I walk. So it's pretty good.
it's good, right? Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. 오랜만에.
진짜 오랜만이네. 귀엽다. 결정이.
We're writing in the guest book of the Airbnb.
So we're gonna go around Eastern Coast, but the forecast said it's gonna rain today. So maybe we have to enjoy indoor stuff.
Cafe by the beach. So instead of sitting outside in the rain, we can look at the rain.
But fortunately, like the forecast said it's not gonna rain tomorrow, so we could enjoy in the morning. Let's go.
Bye bye. 재밌었다는.
오. 잠깐만. 오, 망했다.
만두. 오케이.
맛있다. 맛있어.
맛있죠? Oh my god! Oops! Oh, I think we're coming out now. We were trying to go to what? Hansam Beach? On the way here, we couldn't park, so we took a road, but the road was through the forest. We were driving through the forest, just driving and driving and driving.
Nature driving.
Look where we ended up! It's really pretty. So let's get out and look around.
미안해. 와, 저거 미안해.
이거는 딸기.
Okay.
이거는 beet. Beet? No. Beet, maybe?
Okay.
And there's some kind of lettuce.
상추 같다.
Yeah. That's a daisy.
Little daisy.
And that's Samcheok.
Yeah.
Lettuce.
This cafe looks like your house.
It does.
Oh.
It does. I feel better now. When we were at the beach before, it was really, really hot. So now I drank some cool peppermint tea and 시원해. 사진.
Daisy Heaven.
어 이뻐. 야옹. 아우 귀여워. 아우.
귀여워.
어 귀여워. 어 이뻐.
쿠키 같다.
Like Alfie.
오, 그루밍.
Cute. Oh, bye bye. Sanuk found. Whoa! 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 Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your long hair.
Come up.
난 여기로. This angle, wow. Oh! Oh! It was a good weekend and we're on the way home now. But it's okay because we had a good time.